Okay, hello, this is my new build for 2021. It's a Gepard C Mark IV frame, and then I'm using 6S China Hobby Line black batteries. Then I got a gift of a Session 5 for Christmas, and I was really happy with that. And yeah, there's some video here of all like the other components that are on there, but generally I just want to mention this problem that I have with the frame, and it's sort of the way that the flight controller is recessed between the arms, and it makes it awkward to solder to, and it makes it awkward to get the sort of XT60 pigtail in there and get stuff to the video transmitter at the back. You can see on this clip the flight controller is actually set inside of the arms, whereas if you look at something like the Badger or the Apex, those ones, the Badger's case, it's mounted on the bottom, and in the Apex's case it's mounted sort of like a plate, and it makes it sort of a bit easier to get at stuff. But overall it's pretty, it's a lot cheaper, so I'm not too fussed. Okay, so in these clips of DVR you might notice that there's some circular artifacting going on. That comes from the 3D NR setting on the camera itself. You can plug in a little remote and enter the menus, or use smart audio and just turn that off. And you can see the difference between 0 and 1 here is quite significant. Sadly though, not really had much chance to get out and fly because we've had amazing weather like this, which is very nice to go look at, take pictures, but it's not so great to fly in, not the best flying experience. Also, it gets dark quite early still, because we're in the middle of January, February. And also there's a little bit of a yikes going on with a national lockdown, so, you know, can't really go out and fly when you can't leave your house. This is a full sort of price breakdown of everything, and I will link to everything in the description, but it's largely from Unmanned Tech and from Menace RC, who make these really cool antennas, which are like the pagoda antennas that you get, but they don't squish because they've got like a hard plastic casing, and it makes them like really durable compared to like the average pagoda antenna. So I'll link to all that stuff in the description. And thanks for watching. Press any of the buttons that you can see, just any button you can see on the screen, just hit it. It doesn't really matter what it is, just press it. It's probably fine.